Hello, welcome. Today I will be making a quick and easy pasta recipe. I already have my water on the fire and I'm going to add my pasta to it. Here is the water boiling and I'm adding my pasta to it. I'm going to add a small amount of oil. And some salt. And I'm going to let it cook. Here I have a pound of fish fillet and I'm going to cut it in small pieces. You want to cut them very small. You don't want them big. And I'm going to add it when I'm going to fry them after cutting them in these small pieces. I'm going to add them to the bowl in order to season them. Next, I'm going to season them with some powdered season. Some powdered season. Also some crushed pepper. And a small amount of salt. And a tablespoon of Chinese sauce. And I'm going to mix them together. Next step, I'm going to fry my fish. Here I have my pot on the fire hot and I'm going to add some vegetable oil. And now I'm going to add my fish. I'm going to give my fish a turn that the next side can also cook. Here is my fish in the meantime my fish is frying. I'm going to cut up the vegetables. So I'm going to leave this and give some more time on the fire to cook. And I'm going to cut the vegetables. I will be cutting up one onion cut them very fine. You also need 3 cloves of garlic. Next step, I will be cutting up 1 large carrot, and I will cut it in small pieces. I'll be cutting up also a cucumber. Don't need the seed inside of it, so you can take out the seeds. You can just remove the seeds. Also going to cut up 1 bell pepper. Okay, the fish is now cooked, and I'm going to take it out of the frying pan and start adding the other, and start cooking the vegetables. Here I have my pot hot, and I'm going to add some oil. And next I'm going to add my onion and my garlic. I keep on stirring it because I'm going to get out the flavor out of the garlic and the onion. Next I'm going to add my carrot and my cucumber and my sweet pepper. Give them a stir. Also I have some string bean and some sweet corn. and I'm going to add it to it. And I'm going to put this for about 5 minutes, not for long, just to let it half cook. The next step, I will be using 3 eggs, and I'm going to separate the white from the yolk. Here is the yolk. The next step, I'm going to beat my egg yolk. And I'm going to add it, and I'm going to pour it all over the pasta. And coat them with it. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to my egg white, also a pinch of crushed pepper, and I'm going to beat it. I'm going to add a small amount of oil to my pot, and I'm going to scramble my egg white. Here is my finished scrambled egg. I'm now going to add some oil to my frying pan. And I'm going to add my pasta that has been coated with the egg yolk. I'm going to add my pasta. Next step, I'm going to add my cooked vegetable. Then I'm going to add my fish. The next step, I'm going to add my egg white. I'm just giving it some stir, mixing everything together. Here is the finished pasta recipe. Quick and easy to make. And it's a lovely dinner idea. Oh my God. Here is my final quick and easy pasta recipe. This recipe is so tasty that if you try it, you would want to cook it each and every day. So please could you like, share, and subscribe as you watch this recipe. Thank you for watching.